Joy does not simply happen to us. We have to choose joy and keep choosing it every day. Hi everyone! We're again spending a quality time with our precious baby in our favorite place, simple yet enjoyable, the beach. As much as we want to bring her to the mall, go to the toy store, or experience playing at the park again, this pandemic limits her space, especially with our active baby who loves playing around and meeting people. How sad it is to control her with so much restrictions.
Where's the crab? Oh! Where is the crab? Little crab.
Well, hey, nature is a tool to get children to experience not just the wider world, but themselves, sabi nga ni Stephen Moss.
Where? Ay! Oh! 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 Ay! Wala na! Nag-swim.
Hi, sad. Hey, don't worry. Papa got one for you.
Where? Oh!
Let us try to see things through the eyes of a child. See the wonder in the simplest things. Well, we need to cling to our optimism that one day the world will be back to normal. As we learned our lessons, let us just believe that anything is possible.
Ha? Hala? Ano pa gani ito?
Oh, jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Oh. Scared? Jellyfish? La?
Ito, pagkilap niyo. Ano ba kami rito? Kayo doon.
Ops, ops, ops. Do not touch.
Look at that.
Mm.
Look at Mama. Over there, a jellyfish.
Yes. Ano, Day? Ligo na, ligo.
Butang dito ba?
Well, crab.
In the eyes of a child, you will see the world as it should be.
Okay. Okay, wait.
Come on. Mama, we're on jellyfish.
Over there. What? No.
Shell.
What is that?
Shell. No on cub. This on shell.
You see, life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. You know, happiness really depends upon ourselves.